Hi everyone. So this is going to be what we are doing, our daily agenda and our day for January 25th, 2021. It's going to be on a Monday. So for today, we are continuing with argumentative essay. I know we've been well discussing it for the last couple weeks, but we're really going to get into it today. We're actually going to start drafting. So for your do now, I noticed there were quite a number of you that have still not completed your essay, the highlighting and annotations of that example essay. So for all 28 of you that have not completed that assignment, we will be doing that for your first 10 minutes. The 10 of you that have completed it will be working on Quill. After that, we are going to be covering your argumentative essay. We are going to be going through the graphic organizer because, again, not enough of you were finishing that assignment, and that is critical for you guys to actually begin writing. We need you to break down what is this assignment, what is the argumentative structure, so that way you guys are going to do well for your DWAs. So we're going to be breaking down the graphic organizer tomorrow again, and we will be using timers to get through that. And then you guys are going to start that writing portion as well, and then our exit ticket. Your homework for now is just going to be any missing assignments, but you guys are going to start drafting within the next few days, so that will change, I'm telling you now. Reminders, DWA is going to be next week. It was going to be this week, but it's going to be next week. So for your do now, I mentioned earlier, argumentative essay, the 10 of you that have finished this assignment will be working on Quill. The rest of you will be working on highlighting this assignment. I've given you the first paragraph to start. We did this in class. You guys should be able to take down that paragraph and be able to highlight. You will have 10 minutes to complete this assignment. And I will let you know if you have completed this assignment or not. After this, for 15 minutes, we are going to be working on this graphic organizer. This was due Sunday, the 24th of January. Not enough of you were finishing this assignment. So for those of you that were still not done, we are going to take the time to break this down one by one together as a class. I will be using GoGuardian to make sure you guys are really getting through this and really completing this assignment tomorrow. This is critical for you guys to understand DWA structure. For those of you that are completed, or once we complete together as a class, you are going to be starting your argumentative essays. You are going to actually, I already have the assignment up on Google Classroom. You will be writing through the writing prompt and writing task and drafting your essays. If you did your graphic organizers, congratulations, your essay is 95% done. All you have to do is go back in and fill it with TPAC. So that's all you would have to do for that. We will be, again, covering that together as a class. And then your exit ticket, if we have time for it, it's going to be rock, paper, and scissors, just really focusing on what is the most foundational part of our class today. Other than that, I don't have anything else. If you guys have any questions or just need more information or are a little bit confused, let me know. Send me an email, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in class. Bye-bye.